Traders, how are you? This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market today. How we turn in $500 account into $5,000 account. How is it possible and how to do it the right way? Is it possible? Of course it is. With futures, it's always possible. Good morning to my Discord community. Happy to have you over here. Hope you had a successful trading day yesterday. As usual, those of you who just joined the server, thank you for the support. Highly appreciate. Beautiful to see this community growing, as well as the Discord and as well as the TikTok and the Instagram page, and of course the Facebook page. I want to say welcome to all the new affiliates that took the route to make some money while trading. Take the affiliate program. Welcome to those who got approved. As I mentioned before, if you want to apply for the affiliate program, the details are in our website description. The link is in the description box within this video. So anytime whoever wants to apply, you can check the how to do so in the website. So how to grow the account for 500 to 5,000? Of course, you have to be consistent. You have to know what to do, and of course, it's possible while you are trading futures. Many of you and many in the groups, many of you DMs ask me so many times how much money I need to invest in order for me to make a profit. Of course, it's all depends on you, like liquidity level, how do you trade, what's the minimum amount is. Everybody get his own take, but let's try to take the small amount and try to grow it. It's like the key is consistency and good risk management. We're gonna try to make call it a live example right here while trading the oil contract. So diving in the oil contract, we already see with the oil it's an uptrend. Today we see how the price basically shoots up from this demand right here, shoots towards up, of course creating some patterns of drop-based drop along the way. Market over here, so we have rally, base, rally, base, rally, and of course every time that the base is being created, it created for us a new additional call it demand areas, and we see how the price basically reacts to those demands area. Of course, within the week interval, we see over here a big move. Basically, the price is accumulating energy. I'm going to try to circle it, highlight it. This whole area is basically accumulation of energy, and we want accumulation of energy towards a big move. Right here, right now, where we at, we see how the price reacts to the demand, shoots up, make a small correction, not a small one, but a big one, and then starting slowly to climb up. So within the day, of course, we're gonna look for the long position still. We're coming from a demand. We still have a lot of meat to trade over here, this area at least. Let's dive in. And I'm gonna cancel those profiles for you, and we can see right now where the price lies. Basically, we have a break of structure. We will see how the price lands over here, and the area over here is being breaking. Over here we have new base coming, and we see how the price basically reacts to this new demand and then shoots up, breaking this structure right here. We'll see how the price break it, dive back in, and now react to this demand right here. I know this, it looks a bit complicated when I'm drawing it, but let's see how it looks on the 4-hour chart. And with the 4-hour chart, we can still see this level is not being met right here, this level right here, and the price is keep on pushing up, making a new demand areas for us. We want to see how it's possible to basically trade this whole area. Of course, we have to be attentive to the news. It's not going to be the news is just a supportive line for us, but we see right here, if we take this specific line, we see how the price break this structure and now basically accumulating energy towards the big move. It can be this big move right here, trading this area from here all the way upward over here. And we're gonna go now to the 15 minutes interval. Within the 15 minutes interval, we see that we are sitting on on specifically on supply area. We also can see how the price basically within the 15 minutes area, we don't see the 50 minutes interval, we don't see we have a strong validation to get to a short position. Why is that? We have basically a doji candle right here, and now don't have confirmation candle right here. Means that this specific candle did not pass the head of the hammer over here. I mean, that means that the buyers are still in the picture, although we're in supply, and if we are in supply, we're gonna short position. They don't do nothing. We understand right now that we don't have a validation to get into supply zone, to get them in short position. What we want to see is basically looking for the next, call it the next long, and obviously we have over here a demand, new demand that is formatted over here, which is parallel to the low value area of the night profile. What you want to see basically is the price shoots back right here, and then take a long position within the day. So taking what we said in the beginning, I'm gonna narrow down the number of contract even lower than that. We're gonna basically risk $5,000, and we're shooting up towards $5,000, which is the higher demand. We're gonna, in this way, we're gonna swing trade it all the way up to here at minimum. So we're gonna wait for the position to come over here, risking $540 in order to create 5,080 on a swing trade. Let us see on the 4 hours chart how does it look if we're swinging it. I'm gonna cancel all those indicators, and this is how it looks. Basically, this is the whole move that the price will have to do in order to get to this destination. Of course, you don't have to do it in one shot. We always can do it in multiple entries on within the day. So this is, if you swing trade, basically this is what you want to see. The price basically accumulated energy over here in this area, and then shoots up all the way upwards, all the way even more than $5,000. But we're gonna take this move just to $5,000. On the flip side, we also know that the price before it's gonna make a big move is have possibility to make a correction. So assuming that the price runs us over here in this area right here, we can always go all the way, basically waiting for the position right here and waiting over here, and then execute another long position from here. So of course, within the day, we have multiple options to enter. We will just basically do what we do the best. We ambush the price, waiting for the price to come in to the best convenient area for us, risking as minimum as possible in order to gain a maximum possible. Of course, within the day, a good position will be risking $1 in order to get $2 at least. And within the swing trading, we're talking about ratio of 1 to 8. So of course, within the Discord community, we're gonna keep elaborate on these positions. If you're not part of this group, please tag along to this group, to the server. It's completely free. There's a live chat, and there's a very live conversation over there. Meanwhile, I want to wish you successful trading, and I'm going to see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.